walking on water. The disciples were just walking up on their boat. They had been out on the water all night. All night. Yawn. Strict. It was so early, the sun wasn't even up yet. Andrew rumbled his eyes and looked into the fog. Hey, he whispered to you. See what I see? What? It's a ghost, James cried out in fear. The disciples were shaking their sandals. Shaking. They were terrified through the fog. They could see the outline of a person walking on the water. It was Jesus. Don't be afraid. It's just me, Jesus said. I waved a friendly hello. If it's really you, Jesus, tell me to walk on the water. Peter said bravely, okay, Jesus. Struggled. Come on out, Peter. The water is fine. Oh, Peter swallowed hard. He placed one foot onto the water. Plop! It didn't go under. He tried the other foot. Plop! He was standing. He kept his eyes glued on Jesus as he took a few careful steps. He walked faster and faster. Splish, splash. Only his feet were getting wet. Jesus smiled at him. Peter felt the wind blowing on his face. He took his eyes off Jesus and looked up at the dark clouds. He felt afraid. Oh no, his ankles were wet. Oh no, his knees were wet. Oh no, Peter was sinking. Help me, Jesus. Help me, Jesus. Save me, he yelled. Jesus reached out his hand, pulled Peter out of the sea. Why did you stop looking at me? Jesus asked, holding tightly to his friend. Don't you trust me? The wind stopped. They climbed to the boat full of cheering disciples. Cheering disciples. Hooray! This proves it, they said. You really are the Son of God. From that day on, the disciples were excited to tell everyone they met about the power of Jesus. Would you... Oh, am I supposed to read the star thing?
It's up to you.
That's kind of optional.
Okay,